Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, thermal module, and DC-in module. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the power button board. Remove the 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power button board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.